Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome to Arpita's Kitchen. Today we are baking a coconut biscuit just like bakery, but we are baking this without oven and without a cooker as well. So if you want to know how to bake this delicious coconut biscuit, then keep on watching. Before that, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. I have taken around 5 tablespoons of ghee and I am adding around half a cup of powdered sugar to this, and I am nicely blending using a fork. You can use spoon as well, but using a fork for blending makes it more creamier, so I'll be using a fork. Just combine both ghee and sugar until you attain a creamy consistency, as you can see here. Once it is creamy and light, we will add around half a cup of maida or all-purpose flour to this. It's like 1:1 ratio, like if you are taking 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of maida. So here I am using half a cup of maida and half a cup of powdered sugar. And we will add around 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of baking soda. We will combine everything. We need not need this, but just we need to combine the dry ingredient with our ghee, so it has to nicely coat and all the moist in the ghee has to be absorbed by dry ingredient. For the flavoring, I am adding around a pinch of elaichi powder and finally half a cup of desiccated coconut. We will just give it a very good mix so that all the ingredients come together. Better to use hands more than a spoon. You can see now all the ingredients has come together and it has nice moist to it. Once it has got this moist, I'll be adding around 1 tablespoon of milk, not more than that. Just add a tablespoon of milk, give it a good mix and make sure our dough is very soft. If you need, you can add 1 more tablespoon of milk. So here I have used only 2 tablespoons of milk in total. Just giving a good mix. Once all the ingredient has come together, my biscuit dough is ready. No need to over knead this. So my biscuit dough is ready here. I have greased a plate with the maida and the ghee, and I have taken some desiccated coconut around 2 tablespoons in a plate. Now we will prepare our biscuits. For this I have taken a lemon size of biscuit dough. Just flatten it and roll on to the desiccated coconut and place onto the baking plate. Just take a little amount because once it is baked it will double in size. Just roll, press it onto the desiccated coconut on top and place it onto the baking tray. Like this we will prepare all our biscuits. So I have made enough biscuits here, so we will just bake it now. For baking I have placed a kadai. On top of this I will be placing a plate or a stand, whatever is available with you. Just place a plate and close the lid and switch on the flame for 5 minutes to preheat. After 5 minutes, just open the lid and place our biscuit, which we have placed on a tray, onto the stand. Close the lid and bake this for 10 minutes, not more than that friends, just 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, just open the lid. You can see how nicely my biscuits are baked. It has got a perfect color and texture. I'll just break a biscuit and I'll show you. Hope you have liked my video. If so, please subscribe and like to Arpita's Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.